I'm Rebecca Del Pozo, and here's what I can promise you. It will be real, it will be fun, and it will be authentic.
I was part of her book club, and I learned so much about myself, but also my son. He has ADHD, and in her book, she helped me learn how to communicate with him a little bit better, which obviously helped my relationship with my son.
This company has changed my life.
She has this way of speaking directly into my heart.
Now it's my passion as a Keller Williams Master Faculty Trainer to bring this energy and bring this dynamic to your market centers, offices, and businesses.
She is vibrant, she's helpful, and she wants to hear your experience while you're taking the class.
And I can't wait to connect and curate the class that's going to just revitalize and refresh and reset your people. I can't wait to talk to you soon.